Right now, somewhere in the world, a company is firing its entire customer support team. Not because the workers did anything wrong, but because an AI just passed the quality benchmark for a fraction of the cost. And here's what nobody is telling you clearly. This isn't coming. It's already here. But before you spiral, there's something more important than which jobs are disappearing. It's understanding which jobs are safe and exactly why. By the end of this, you'll know the 3 categories of work AI genuinely cannot replace, and what you can do right now to make sure you're on the right side of this shift. Let's be direct about what's actually happening. In 2023, Klarna, one of Europe's biggest fintech companies, replaced 700 customer service workers with a single AI agent. That one system now handles 2.3 million conversations per year, in seconds. Goldman Sachs published analysis suggesting 300 million jobs globally could be partially or fully automated with technology that already exists. Not future technology, current technology. But here's what most fear-driven headlines get completely wrong. There is a massive difference between a task being automated and a job being eliminated. Most jobs are bundles of tasks. Some of those tasks, AI is consuming them fast. Data entry, drafting emails, writing boilerplate code, routing complaints, generating first drafts, gone or going. But that's only half the story. These are the 3 pillars that still require a human. The first is high-stakes judgment. AI can analyze evidence, it cannot be held accountable. A judge doesn't just apply law, they weigh context, read ambiguity, and make decisions people will live with for decades. A doctor doesn't just read test results. They sit with a frightened patient and decide how to communicate something that changes everything. AI gets the data right. Humans carry the consequence. The second is genuine emotional labor. Not customer service scripts. Those are already automated. I mean the work where your ability to read a room, hold space, or simply be present determines whether someone gets help or falls through the cracks. AI can mimic empathy. It cannot feel what's at stake. The best therapists, educators, coaches, and crisis responders, their value is entirely relational, not informational. And right now, AI has no access to that. The third is novel physical problem solving. It's tempting to assume white-collar work is safest. It isn't, not automatically. Robots dominate controlled environments, assembly lines, fulfillment warehouses, structured, predictable spaces. But a plumber walking into a 1940s house with unexpected infrastructure? That's real-time improvisation in an unstructured physical world. Fine motor adaptability in unpredictable environments is years, maybe decades, from automation. Here's where most advice gets vague. Learn AI tools, stay adaptable, helpful. Thanks, let me be specific. Step 1, audit your job by task, not by title. Write down everything you did last week. For each item, ask one question. Could an AI do this with the right prompt and data? If yes, that task is at risk. That doesn't mean your job is, but you need to know where your actual value comes from. Step 2, move toward the interface. The people who are most secure aren't just using AI. They're the ones deciding how it gets used, prompting, evaluating outputs, catching errors, making the final call. That role doesn't get automated, it gets more important. Step 3, double down on what's irreplaceable. Whatever falls under judgment, emotion, or physical adaptability in your work, that is your moat. Deepen it. Don't abandon it chasing the parts of your job that are already eroding anyway. The question was never whether AI would take jobs. It already is. The real question is whether you understand your own work well enough to know which parts of it actually need you. The people who figure that out now, while everyone else is either panicking or ignoring it, those are the ones who come out ahead. If you want to go deeper, I broke down which specific industries are most exposed and the timeline. That's the next video.